this is John with WTI, and I just recently moved to my first apartment on my own. And the fact that I have a little dog with me, and at the same time, this apartment has a little bit of humidity, this is where this DampRid moisture absorber and lavender scent comes into place. This is a game changer when it comes to keeping the environment as clean, as comfortable as possible when I'm receiving people here in this apartment, or where I'm just here working during the whole day, and right here with me is my little dog. This is just like you open this and you put this area, and it has like a little vent in the top. You can pretty much place it in any place of your house. Your room, your bathroom, your office, in the dining room, wherever you want to put it there. It's going to absorb all the moisture that is in the area, and it's gonna keep your places nice and clean and smelling great. So whenever you're receiving people with you, this is gonna work perfectly. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.